kid with so many powers, but he did not know how to utilize those powers, so he was misusing them. A person cursed him that you will forget all your powers from this moment. Years after, somebody made him realize about his powers, that you have so much potential and you can do great things. Fellow Toastmasters and dear guests, can you help me find out what is this story all about? Who is the character kid in this story? Hanuman. Who is the character who cursed Hanuman? Some Rishi Durvasha. Who is the character who made him realize his potential? Japan. Now wait, as most of you already know about this story, why am I telling this story right now? This is a very old story, isn't it? It is quite possible the same story is being repeated day in, day out, even today. How many of you have heard this statement? How can you think that you can do it? Are you some sort of Tata and Birla to think in this big? What makes you feel that you can do this? These are the curses of today's times. So in this story, you may be the kid that we are talking about. And people around you who may not have the confidence in themselves are transmitting that underconfidence to you to play the role of Jaman in front of you. By sharing some stories and insight about myself that made me realize my true potential and the powers that I had. It was in 2002 when I was studying in BSc Hansraj College. I was in second year and I was also preparing for my entrance of Master in Computer Application. I was attending a coaching center. In the month of November, coaching center took up a mock test. And in a batch of 150, I got a rank of 50. No, it was not that bad. I got a rank of 50. Now, if somebody is having some family backup, they always can think of that, okay, something else will come. But for me, it was like, this is the only option. And if I'm getting a rank of 50 in a strength of 150, I'm looking for an entrance exam of Delhi University MCA where 8,000 students appear for 30 odd seats. And by this extrapolation and a student of mathematics, I can calculate that it was a rank of 2,500 or 300 that I am getting. I was shattered and tensed. But a beautiful thing happened in my life. I came to know about Dr. Vijaypal Memorial Library in Keshapuram. It was more of a self-study center. I enrolled in that library and starting 7th November 2002, my only schedule was visiting college, taking up coaching classes, and whatever time I am left with, I was just there in that self-study center. Within 5 months, I got selected in Delhi University MCA. I was able to crack that exam. And then I was thinking, people always blame outside world. But for me, my college is same. My teachers are same. My curriculum is same. My coaching center is same. My family environment is same. As per the IQ level, I cannot change in 5 months. So what has changed? And after introspection, I realized only thing that changed that I was studying in a conducive environment. So I realized that because if you are put in a conducive environment of learning, your potential of performance increases a lot. And I use that thing, that secret of mine throughout my life as of now. I have have cracked UGC NET in first attempt. I have cracked GATE exam first attempt. Cisco CCNA certification without any coaching and preparation first attempt. First attempt Microsoft cleared, and the list goes on. Just this introspection that okay, I can perform very well in the conducive environment. Second thing happened about public speaking. I used to think that I cannot speak in public. I used to shy. I took up an event, participated in it, but I just asked, can I speak in Hindi? And imagine, I won that event. And I was thinking, earlier I was even very shyful to even participate in this event, and now I have won this event. How is it possible? Earlier, I was combining public speaking with English. I'm not that good in English, I know. But I am very good in public speaking. That I got to know. These two things, that capability to perform better in an environment and public speaking, are two of my strongest pillars till today. One shloka for Sanskrit is Na aksharam na mantrahitam, which means there is not a single word which cannot be utilized as a mantra. Na moolam na aushadim, there is no root which cannot be utilized as a medicine. Ayogyam purusham na asti, there is no individual who is not having any quality. Yojak tatra durbalam, still better utilization of human potential is very rare. My humble request to you, with my hand folded, set up a meeting with powerful you tonight itself and break that conditioning that has stopped you from getting what you want to get. Over to you.